to Hardcore Garage. I am taking the GT in for ceramic coating this morning. So it's a new video we can do. Never had a vehicle that was ceramic coated. Seen some vehicles that have been, and I've always been really impressed, but I don't really know what to expect. This paint on this thing looks pretty darn good all the time anyway, but this will keep you hopefully a little more protection from my cats, if nothing else. So I'll be able to kind of go over that and give you a review and let you know about what I paid for it and if I thought it was worth it. So stay tuned, guys. There she is, looking all fresh and clean, like a prom date waiting to happen. This is one of the shiniest vehicles I've ever seen in my life, guys, and I'm not just saying that because it's mine. Andrew Clark Smith did a bang-up job when he painted this thing. And Levi just did a bang-up job cleaning it, ceramic coating it. Like, really, guys. Look at that reflection there. It is almost like a mirror. The inside was made all pretty. Cleaned the wheel, everything that he could, real nice. Kind of steamy in there right now. Yeah, it looks real good. Excellent. Absolutely excellent. That's freaking beautiful. If you guys are in the Ohio area and want your stuff show detailed, hit me up and I'll give you this guy's number. Figured I'd do a little video here in my favorite place that I like to come to get pictures, because the backgrounds is just so intense on these things here. You've got this mural on the wall back here that just comes out on every piece of the paint. So I'm going to snap a couple pictures while I'm here. It's got a little dust on it from cruising around, but not much. What do you guys think? I'm pretty impressed. From what I've been told, this process generally costs about 600 bucks to have done. So I was totally happy. And it's shiny as ever. Actually, we cruised pretty much the whole day and into the night. My daughter went with me and we got rained on. And when I got home, I just blew it off with my air compressor and still looked like we just picked it up. So get a hold of Levi. Keep on trucking.